ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Uba coming one ambon, ubalong unong yalam jong National People's Party bat umentri ke Sarkar Jela. Ula ong baga NPP kandang yok biang ya ke Jingjop ke babun pai ha ke Elekshon MDC ke Bansalong. Hakasi bat Jainte Hills Autonomous District Council House nem Arajar Arpusau. Ha ke Jingekren bat kilat patai kubor ha ke Arpau Tarik Urisau Arajar Arpulai. Uba coming one ambon ula penksan ya gani ke Jingkam jong u da ke ba ai nuksa na ke Election MLA ke badang Shudep Long Shen mentau snem Arajar Arpulai. Haga baka NPP kala job hadu arpo hunriungut ki MLA haga yang dorbar tau an kabadon hunriu pongut ki dikot shushu la ong ru baka jingmi perthai jongka Voice of the People Party kanam bu jing AA ru M yaga NPP haga Election MDC namar badai upaj ba uban ai yaga rai yano ban penjob bat yano ban penrem.
NPP will come back in the Kasti Jaintia sector. Not only in the VP, all the parties, not even the UDP, even so many parties. Every election with UDP, NPP, VPP, Congress also, and BJP also. I think as of now, I have seen the people of the state, they give the mandate to the NPP. This is the MDA government. I think this time also, NPP will come back in the MC election. On Giant Hills, I have seen zero, I think. As of now, people didn't accept this VDP. The reason, I think you know better than me. I have seen today in your newspaper also, you against the VPP. All these press people against the VPP. I think you know better than me regarding that.